Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Glitz and Glamour 2025. Wow, I can see some of you guys are very well dressed, very glitz, and very glamorous. Ayan. Ako naman pinagsuot ng Maria went to the market. Wala tayong option kasi MC lang po tayo. Kung ano pong ibigay ng ating director, wala tayong choice. Where's the basket? O diba, basket lang po lang eh. Ayan, so for those who don't know me, once again, my name is GMA, in short for Gloria Makapal Raico. Ayan, last year, I guess you guys had Christmas party, right? On Wilson and Matters, I was the one. Once again, ayan. So we're here on separate or other venue, and for those whom I met before, thank you guys for all the support, and for those who are new, please bear with me throughout the night. Okay, so how are you guys doing? Dito ako nagtanong, doon kami sumagot ha. Pabalik na rin naman natin. How are you guys doing? Uy, huwag naman kayo. Thank you. Ayan. Dito naman, ayan. Nagpa-photo booth na ba kayo? Ayan. So on your future events, meron po tayong 360 photo and video booth. Ayan. Nasa labas po. And don't worry, pag kayo po ay tumawag, sabihin nyo lang po yung Glitz and Glamour 2025. Meron kayong special discount. Ayan. Ang ibinibigay po namin for tonight by Zubo Asian Fusion, pag magpabook po kayo ng 360 photo booth, at sabihin nyo lang po yung word na galing, nakilala namin kayo sa may Glitz and Glamour 2025, automatic po, free na po yung photo booth. Yung 360 lang po ang i-rent nyo. Ayan. Don't worry kung kayo po itatawag, ako rin naman po yung sasagot. Ayan. So, diba, pinastik ko lang yung sarili ko. Ayan. Siyempre, wala pa naman yung sinabi na start ng queue. Ipo-promote ko na rin po, yeah. We do full service catering din. And kung nakita yung banner ko sa labas, may mukha rin ako doon, yeah. We do full service, we do planning, ayan, full service catering. We do plating service, plated service too, ayan. Kaya kung gusto nyo magpa-party at gusto nyo mainit, gusto nyo iba ko yung plato, we also cater that. Pero babayaran nyo po yung plato. Ayan, so once again, thank you so much for the support. And of course, I want to say thank you to our DJ, ayan, si DJ Jeff in the house. Ayan, member po siya ng Pinoy DJs of Toronto. Ayan, isa rin po siya sa panauhing pandangal natin, siya rin. From Maharlikas, ayan, kung taga-Mississauga dyan, nakikita niyo rin po siya sa Maharlikas Resto Bar. Ayan. And of course, pinopromote ko rin po ang Prestige by Night. Andun din ako almost every day. Ayan, yung kitchen ko ng Zubo is same with the kitchen of Prestige. So, kung wala ako doon, nandito ako. Ayan. Malapit lang po yung bagong Prestige ngayon. It's located along Dufferin along Western and Page and Dufferin naman ako. Yan yung dati. Ayan, so, once again, welcome. And of course, welcome to the event venue space. Ayan, thank you so much. I was here last October, ayan, on the same stage for one Filipino concert. Ayan, so it's my third time to be on this stage. Kaya nung sinabi ng ating organizer that I will be the MC for the national event venue, I said like, you know what, I love it. Because the camera is actually, unique. Ayan. You don't need to 360 yourself with a very good lighting. Ayan. Okay, so, ayan, so once again, for those hindi pa po nagkaroon ng pictorial, we have our official photographer here, and of course we have our 360 video and digital photo booth. Ayan, so, antay-antay lang tayo ng ating stage director. For those who are asking, the washroom is on the exit sign, and there's also an exit door if you want to go home. No, I'm just kidding. Ayan. So, are you guys ready? Ayan, alam ko. Don't worry, we still have time. Dinner will be served shortly. Ayan. Sa mga gusto pa pong magpa-fresh, we have maluwa po ang ating washroom. Kung gusto nyo mag-retouch, ganyan. Pero don't worry if you're here on stage, you don't need too much retouch kasi lighting system. But di ko kayo nahalata eh. Nakatingin lang akong ganyan pero yung mata ko, nalulumo na. Ayan. Ang hirap po maging artista. Ayan. So please. Ayan. May naayos na po sila. Ayan. So, isa-isayin po natin. Asan ang table number 1? Which one is table number 1 here? Wala. Oh, it's by the letter. O, diba? Hindi na ako na-inform nun. Okay, words, letter A. O, diba? Ang hirap kumita ng pera, guys. Which table? Table A. Ayan. Hi! Oh my God, this is like, wow, how are you? Diba invisible? Ayan, the invisible table. Okay, group A. Ayan, so which one of you here? What's your name? Oh, your name is Dawn. And you are Donya? What's your name? On the other side. Wow, nice to meet you guys. I hope you will enjoy. Okay, don't worry. Just be happy. Okay, so how about group number B? Oh, here. Ayan, dito tayo kay Madam. She looks expensive. Wow! With an expensive bag. Diba? If you have an expensive bag, put it on the table. If you have a not so expensive one, you hang it on your chair. And if you have something gifted, put it under your chair. Okay, charing lang. What's your name? Oh, Julian. So, any plan for the holidays? Oh my God, you're going back to the Philippines. Oh my God. Are you planning to come back to Canada? Okay, that's good. Well, good luck. And you know what? I envy you. Sino dito yung gusto umuwi ng Pilipinas to celebrate the holidays? Magingay naman. Oh, di ba? Parang si ako pang 5 years na hindi nauwi, ah. Okay, we're how about A, B? G naman, G para go ng go. Table, group number G, as in go ng go. There, ayan. Doon tayo sa naka-costume with the polka dots. Happy New Year, everybody. The lucky shape or lucky dress this New Year's Eve will be polka dots. Ayan. Hi, what's your name?
Mary Joy.
Mary Joy, what's the inspiration behind the polka dots? You're a gift. You're a gift with a reborn. Ayan. So, any plans for the holidays?
Pardon?
Any plans for the holidays?
Yes, working.
Working, it's okay. You know what? It's good to make more money. Okay? How about table H? Group H. Oh, the brown one. Wow. The lady in red in the house. Thank God wala tayong red carpet dito, Mami, ha? Or else they're gonna think that you're part of the carpet. Hi, Mami. What's your name? Huh? What's your name po? Miss Marilu. So any plan for the holidays?
Just 2 days.
Huh? Yes, the plan is yes, to be happy. Diba kayo na lang Uy! Tita, don't laugh too much. Baka isipin nila eh. Diba? Okay, so will be roaming through like each table. So please don't forget to fill up this raffle stand because the grand prize will be this 58-inch TV. Madam, I requested for 61, it's only 58. Okay, so yeah, please don't forget, it's only your name, your email, your phone. Ayan. So don't forget, our major prize will be this 58-inch TV. Actually, don't worry, I never complain about 58 inches. Naku, size ka, di ko kaya. O si ate lang, makangiti nakarelate. Okay, so once again, thank you so much for Remax, headed by, of course, Remax Miss Gemma Pascual. So please don't forget to fill in this stuff from Remax. This will be your ticket to win our major prize, 58-inch TV. I guess last year was 42 inches. Ayan. Hirap na hirap po yung nanalo para iuwi yung TV. But today, mas mahihirapan na naman po yung mananalo. Any other sponsors in the house? You can give me your flyers so I can plug it. Okay, so if you're planning to buy, sell, lease, or invest, ayan, don't forget to call the realty team, which is they are here in the house, Gemma and Ace. Ayan, get the service you deserve. You can actually reach Gemma at 416-574-4004. And tonight, of course, we have 2 crowns ready here. Ayan, so there will be a best dressed tonight. So make sure you are glittering and glamorous tonight. Okay? Okay, so let me call on my co-host. And if you have anything to plug your businesses, just give me your flyers, guys. So once again, if you want to order some booth, we have an open bar outside. I guess they accept any type of payment.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming to all of you tonight. May we call on for GPA Legacy member for we start for the national anthem to our program first. Ate Virgie, Light Virgie. Come up on stage, please. Okay, first of all we rise for the national anthem. We have here from GTA Legacy Lions Club, our chartered in District 711. Okay. Okay, may we call on Marsha for the opening prayer. Come up on the stage, Marsha.
Good evening, everyone. Manny asked me to do this prayer, but I have like brain fog, so I had to put it on. The gracious God, thank you for bringing us together in joy and in friendship. Bless this gathering with laughter, love, the spirit of unity. We are grateful for the food before us and the hands that prepared it, and the moments we are about to share. May the celebration strengthen our bond and fill our hearts with gratitude and peace. As I humbly ask in your most holy and precious name, amen.
Thank you. I would like to thank to all of you for coming for this evening, and I know you. Some of you are you attend from the first year, second year, and third. This is our third year celebrating this. It's a Friday holiday party. I make this one for you guys because I know how hard our job in Bakeras, different whatever your designation is. So that's why I give you at least once a year. I want to see you all look gorgeous and beautiful. And this is your night, all of you. Okay. Thank you so much. And I would like to thank also to our sponsor for this evening, especially So they are supporting our grand prize. So just fill out all the what do you call that, the form that they gave it to you, and we'll wrap that later. Okay, and I would like to thank also for the generosity of Ms. Ernie Truby. She's giving some gifts for our best dress and star of the night for this evening. And also GMA to sponsor for our portfolio this evening too. Okay. So yeah, we enjoy the night. This is your night. Okay, thank you.
And of course, for those who are asking, of course we have an open bar outside. I mean, it's a cash bar. So later on, desserts will also be provided buffet style. And we have actually a very important guest for tonight. But before anything else, we would like to acknowledge National Event Venue for providing us this wonderful venue. And of course, before anything else, for those who are expecting something else, but things that turn out on the different direction, don't worry, desserts are open there right now. Our goal is to provide you all fun and happiness tonight, and we would like to see you all to look gorgeous, like the best dress you can ever have for tonight. And we want you to overcome through this party. We will overcome our struggles in life, especially I know healthcare worker is not an easy job. As what they said, what's that? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. But my family big doctor is handsome, so I always have the excuse to visit him twice a month. Okay, so.
Okay, excuse me, before we start, we have a special guest speaker for this evening. He's a member of Parliament of Clinton Lawrence and Parliamentary Secretary Mary Prime, was born and raised in North York to Italian-Canadian parents and proudly called this writing home. Mr. Gasparo was elected to present Clinton Lawrence in Ottawa last April 2025 this year. For over 20 years, Mr. Gasparo dedicated his career to building a better future for both his community and country. With extensive experience in finance and government, holding a wide range of executive roles. As the head of Sustainable Finance of Scotiabank Working Capital NYCE, Canada's largest credit union, Mr. Gasparo financed critical clean energy infrastructure projects across Canada. In addition to his work in finance, Mr. Gasparo served as a principal secretary of Toronto Mayor John Tory before, and as a special assistant to Prime Minister Paul Bartley. Mr. Gasparo further had the privilege of serving on the boards of directors of the Canada Infrastructure Bank, Postmedia, World Wildlife Fund, and to the Toronto Community Housing Corporation. Let's welcome our Honorable Mr. Vince Gasparo, our MP.
Thank you, Manny. Mabuhay! Great to be here. I know I'm sort of stopping you from eating and having a good time, so the last thing you want is to hear from a politician drone on. So I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart and on behalf of the Government of Canada for all your hard work. And thank you for your service. And I can tell you, I have people like Manny who work with me, and it is an advisor to me, and it's very close. And it was our government, Mark Carney's government, that made sure that personal support workers and healthcare workers got the $1,100 tax credit in the budget that we just passed. our country, and our community. And like I said, on behalf of a grateful nation, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Have a great night.
Thank you so much. Wow, once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a wonderful round of applause. Thank you, sir, for the honor. And for those who just came, the washroom is on your left side, and outside you can see there's a cash bar if you want to help yourself for some alcoholic beverages. Okay, so once again, we would like to thank our sponsors.
Hello. I would like to thank you once again for our sponsor for this evening party, Glitz and Glamour Party. The Remax Real Estate, Mr. Ace Perswal and Miss Gemma Pascual. Remotely, Mr. Mario Marcigan, that's still not here. Of course, DTT Memorial, my meeting, of course. Yes, and Forester Insurance Life that I promoted as well. From Atomy Canada, Miss Marino La Cuesta, thank you for your some gift apples. And for the gift card for Miss Start the Night and Best Dress, Miss Early to Read, thank you. Miss Brenda Juno for the door prizes.